Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly put a line between 2 points on Desmos 3D, and I'm going to show you why the formula over here below actually works using vectors. So to the left here we have a diagram, and it consists of 3 vectors. That is the vector A, that takes you to the point x1, y1, z1. The vector B, that takes you to the point x2, y2, z2. And also this third vector over here, which takes you from the point x1, y1, z1 to the point x2, y2, z2. Now this vector over here has a start, and it also has an end. And to get from the start to the end, we have to go against the flow of A, which is minus A. Then we have to go with the flow of B, which is plus B. Now minus A plus B, in terms of vectors, is the same as B minus A. So we can name this third vector over here B minus A. Okay, now to generate this line here that we see to the right, we have to imagine that there's a point on the vector B minus A. Now to get to that point, we have to travel through the vector A, then some scalar multiplied by the vector B minus A. Let's write that down. So to get to any point on the vector B minus A over here, we must travel through A, then some scalar multiplied by the vector B minus A. Okay? So we're going through here, then some quantity through this vector B minus A. Now to ensure this point does not lie outside the line between x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2 and z2, we have to set t between 0 and 1. Okay, this ensures that this point stays within the line between these points over here. By setting t between 0 and 1, you activate every point on this vector over here. And that's what generates this line that you see to the right. Now we can slightly change this equation over here. It's the same as A plus t multiplied by B minus t multiplied by A. And when we factorize, we get 1 minus t multiplied by A plus t multiplied by B. Since the vector A is x1, y1, z1, and the vector B is x2, y2, z2, we can transform this equation over here once again. That leaves us with P is 1 minus t multiplied by x1, y1, z1 plus t times x2, y2, z2. And that's the same as the equation over here. And as you can see, t lies between 0 and 1. So here are the workings to the left. If you have any questions regarding this video, please leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more tutorials like this, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.